Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, thanks for coming by. Today we're going to do another unboxing. Yay, we're going to unbox, yes, Birchbox. I've already opened the seals that take forever to get open, so we can get in here right away and see what I've got. Birchbox is a once a month subscription that is $10 a month. You get 5 sample sizes. This is what the box looks like. And we open it up and it has our paper on the inside. And it says, we're spreading the love this month and every month. Thank you for making Birchbox what it is today. Well, you're welcome. And on the back, it tells us everything we got. We're not going to cheat and read this. I don't have my glasses on, so I can't even tell you if there's words on there, but we're going to assume there is. So let's get into what I got. Interesting. I got this little thing laying on top, but then there's my little box. There's been some hubbub lately about whether Birchbox is really worth it. It's only $10, but they have been sending some pretty small samples lately. I personally enjoy it and almost always get something that makes my $10 worthwhile, but it's an individual decision. If you decide you want to sign up, I have a link below that you're welcome to use. And my first ingredient, since I have it in my hand, is this glove quick treat. The original quick treat. For fast correction, just add water. Okay, hold on. We're going to need glasses. We got to read about this. We're not sure what this is. It says that quickly, it will take a second. Safely, all glove products are dermatologically tested and hypoallergenic. Discreetly, glove quick treat takes no space in your purse or bag and can be everywhere with you. The makeup removal your skin deserves. Eye makeup, face makeup, gentle exfoliation. Moisten the glove. Remove the sections of makeup precisely. Interesting. Wash glove with soap. Let dry or repeat. Well, I don't know anything about this. Do you? Let's get in here and find out what we've got. Because personally to me, as a woman with grandchildren, this looks like a finger puppet. Looks like a magic face. Oh, it's very soft, but looks like a finger puppet. Feels like a stuffed animal. So they think that I'm going to carry this in my purse, get it wet, and then fix the parts of my face that need fixing. Wash it off. Put it somewhere. And have it for next time. I might use it at my house. I don't think it's going to go bye-bye. See? Told you it was a finger puppet. I knew it. I'm not sure that I'll use this. I think that they might overestimate my ability to be exacting with this. I think that I probably find a Q-tip type situation. Because I don't know. We'll see. We'll give it a chance. Tell them bye-bye. That one amok. So that's my first. Let's see what else is in here. We have a Marcel mascara. And it says that it is the Extension Plus Skyline mascara. And then in the full size, it would be $15. Oh, that glove doodad is $3.99. Anyway, so I have several. I'm not going to, because I have, this isn't my first Marcel. And I can't swear that it was from them. It might have been in an Ipsy. But anyway, see, I found a use for it already. Next we have the Gimme Brow. Oh, excellent. I'm happy to have another one of these. Oh, this is in 5. Oh, I used it in, I had it in 2 or 3, I think, and passed it along to a friend. So I'm happy I have one to replace it with. But I think 5 is super dark. Oh, it doesn't look too bad. I mean, let's be frank, my brows are pretty dark. I generally use this. I don't have unruly brows. If anything, I have sparse brows that just lay there, kind of like my hair, very flat, doing nothing. So I use this on days where I'm not going anywhere. Instead of doing a full line with a pencil, I just, and this just gives me a little more fullness, a little more color to them. So that's what it's cute for. So yay. So this is the Benefit Gimme Brow in number 5. See, I made it look like a 2 there. That would have been awesome, but it's definitely a 5. cool. See? So that's another good item. Next we have the Whey, which, you know, it's easy to make me think a box is worthwhile if you throw Whey in there. I use the, don't laugh, Whey Volumizer. I know what you're thinking. How does she get all that volume? I'm here to tell you, without this Whey Volumizer in my hair, it gets even worse. And then I use this, which is the Whey leave-in conditioner in the lengths. And it makes it so that I could do that. If I did not have this in the bottom of my hair, when I did this, it would be like, and I would be stuck in knots. This totally does away with that. So I've managed to not buy this yet. I get this enough in my subscription boxes that I just go from one sample to the next sample to the next sample. When in fact I find myself nearing my last sample, if I don't have another one in the offing, I will absolutely buy the full size. But these are like $12. Yeah, they say the full size is $26, but these are like $12. The travel sizes are $12. So right away my bag is paid for. And last but not least, oh, I'm pretty excited about this. I tell you what, I'm going to try this and then I'm going to do a review on it. This is the Autocorrect from Sunday Riley. It is a brightening and depuffing eye contour cream. It instantly delivers a lifted and depuffed look while reducing the appearance of dark circles and fine lines. Thank you. Yes, please. Check. That is everything that I want. This is a tiny little sample, but you know, it doesn't take much eye cream, so it should give me an idea. With the Sunday Riley products, I have found with most of them, I don't know if you've seen my CEO Glow review, but spoiler alert, it didn't go well. I'll link that here in case you want to see that. But this is the Autocorrect. Let's see how full it is. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I can't. I mean, I'm down here, I'm touching. So this is, wow. I can't get, okay, there you go. I'm just taking just the smallest amount out of here because I want to be able to try it for a few days. But I mean, I have completely squished it to nothingness. And all I took out was this tiny little dot. Let's see what we can tell from it. Oh, it has a smell. It is a pretty strong smell. Kind of chemical-y. Kind of chemical-like. But we're going to give it a shot. This might be I have all of those things we mentioned. I am puffy. I have fine lines. I have dark circles. Dark circles is my biggest problem. Actually, today I just purchased the Fenty concealer in number 110 because fair. And I'm anxious to see how that does. I will also do a review on that if anybody has any interest. Comment below if you have any interest in seeing that on 50-something-year-old skin. I've seen a lot of young people use it and they've had fabulous results, but not y'all. Okay, so that's it for my Birchbox. So I got the Sunday Riley Autocorrect Eye. I have the Whey Leave-In Conditioner. I have my Marcel Mascara and this glove, Glove, fixing situation. If you can think of something clever I can do with this, please let me know, other than use it as a finger puppet. It's a ghost. It's a ghost finger puppet when my babies come. And I have the Benefit Gimme Brow, which I'm fairly excited about. So if you think Birchbox is something that you would like, I have the link below again if you'd like to sign up. And I will see you when I have more boxes to unboxing. I am waiting quite impatiently for my Ipsy Glam Plus bag. I actually made it off the wait list this month, but it hasn't even shipped yet. And I see everybody's getting theirs and mine hasn't shipped yet. And I can't wait. I'm so excited. I'm anxious to see how it compares to Boxycharm. It's the first one out there that I really feel like month to month is going to give Boxycharm a run for their money because I've seen some of the unboxings and there's some good stuff in there. So I just did my Boxycharm unboxing. I'll link it here in case you have any interest in seeing it. I really hope I do that on the right side. I'm never sure. I'll link it here. Thanks for coming by, guys. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more of my unboxings. And I'll see you next time. Bye.